thanks for coming back and checking out another video. I've had a little parcel come through the door this morning, and I'm not sure who it's from, but I've possibly got an idea it might be from Julian. There was a little hole in the corner, but I hope that's not a bad omen. But let's see what we got. Right, there is a note in there as well, I think. Oh yeah, these are from Julian. There are a couple of challenge locks that he said he was going to send me. And the note, is there a note in there, or is that just the address? That might be the paper for the address. Yeah. So we've got two. We've got a Union that's been pinned by Papa Smurf, and this one's called Kicked in the Teeth. Works as smooth as mustard. And we've got this one, the ISCO, and that is by Matt G. It's called Red Rum, pinned by Matt G. And yeah, another little 5-pinner, but this one's got a nasty bitting on the key. And a little update, talking of challenge locks, we've got a bit of progress on the cruciform challenge lock that I'm making. So you can see that there's pins all round, obviously all the way through each side inside the cruciform body. And Washington State Pickers pins have gone all in on the right side, security pins, key pins and drivers. And I finished mine over the weekend, and that's the top row. That's 3 key pins and 4 driver pins. And yeah, I'm just waiting on Matt from Matt's Lock Pit, who's going to do me some pins, and I'm posting the original pins to him this week. And Leon's Lock Pad is also going to be sending me some pins. So I was thinking, how am I going to get this back together, and how am I going to, when I've got all 4 pins, when I'm trying to pin it up with all 4 security pins in all 4 sides at once, because some of the holes in here, I'm not sure if we can see very well, you know, there's pins in all pin ones, in all sides. Pin 1 is pinned. So how am I going to get a follower and get all 4 held there, and then get the follower through? So I've come up with an idea, and I was going to put a shout out to see if someone could make me a follower and cut it into sections. So if I show you like that, so we've got the follower there, this one's a little bit small, but if we cut it into quarters, and then that way I could push 1/4 through, pin 1 in one side, then I could press against the right hand side and push that 1/4 through, and do it that way. And I thought I could probably do something myself, so I've got these 4 pencils. I'm not sure how they're going to go, but they do go. So now we've got the 4 pencils. So as I'm going to gut it, I'm going to be pushing, I'm not sure if you can see that very well in there, but I'm going to be pushing 1 pencil up, then another pencil, then another pencil, and then the 4th pencil. Oh, there it goes. And I'm going to try and pin it that way. So obviously I'll do 1 chamber, then another chamber, then another chamber, and so on. And hopefully that's going to keep them all in when I pin it back up. But I'm really looking forward to getting this up and running. But patience, it all takes time. And yeah, I might show you a glimpse of the pins in the next video. I suppose I have done a little bit of work to the I've threaded one, and I've bored out a bit. When you see what driver pin there is for number 2, you'll see why I've had to widen it up a bit. But the key's even sticky. It was sticky without any pins in it at all. So, but it does work smooth. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. I suppose we could give one of these a go, and I do like the Union. Let's give that one a go. See, my voice is wide open. I've had the Dremel in there when I was working on the key pins. Probably get away with a heavy pry bar in there. I'm going to go really light tension. I'm going in with my own pick with the copper handle from Wes.
Sitting where the coroner listened to the testimonies, and it was quite confusing. And my mind was telling me, wow, it was a murder. And a minute later, no, it was an accident. And then, no, it was a suicide. And to sit there with the family, back of my mind was the question, what was my responsibility? It was a very unpleasant experience.
Oh, there we go. Oh, no.
أصعب لحظة شفتيها بحياتك كانت؟
Well, I think you saw me yesterday bully one open with the Boy Bilbo pick. And I think that's going to be the case again today. Oh. Oh, I still got it. Oh, mate.
يعني إذا كان على صلة أو على مصدر إسرائيل فده كان بتعليمات من مصر. ده شيء ما يتسألش لأنه شيء باين زي يعني حتى واضح يعني أنا مش عارفة Ashraf Marwan in Egypt is regarded as a patriot who worked for Sadat to deceive the Israelis, basically by giving Egypt a 4-hour lead in the 1973 war. But Israel regards him as a national hero.
There we go. Got it. So we've got the key so we can lock it back up again. There it is. Well, that one's not fitting. Whoa. Oh mate, I'm just dropping all the fucking pins out. I don't know where I am. There we go. That was almost a gutting disaster. I don't know what the fuck I was doing there. There we go, so you can see everything needed to be picked. You can see we've got undercuts and threading. Let's get these out first. Yeah, threading in 3 and 4. Got some lovely pin work there. There doesn't seem to be a pin in number 2.
My then wife, when she came to know about it, she had the common sense to tell me that it will end in tears. But it was, of course, too late. And by that time, the train already left the station.
Yeah, there was no driver pin in number 2.
If I open this one, the jump. Yeah. There are guppies, guppies like to jump. But with them, they jump. And I can
No,
say,
so that's what we seem to have. We've got some beautiful pin work there, and I'll do what someone recommended on YouTube, and I'll put these on a piece of white paper, and I'll take some pictures just so you can get a true sense of exactly what they're like. But they are absolutely stunning. So thanks for watching, and yeah, see you again soon.